Hi, it's Jody from 123 Minimize, and today we're talking about sentimental items. When I first got into minimalism, I had lots of sentimental items. I had cupboards full of dishes, books, records that I didn't even enjoy the band or know who originally had the record. And I got rid of a lot of stuff, and it was very freeing because some of the stuff it wasn't really sentimental to me. Other things, it made me feel like a negative emotion when I looked at it. Maybe it was like the burden of having to keep the thing, but it didn't remind me of the person. Or maybe it was a memory. Maybe I had kept something from my childhood or something that wasn't necessarily a good memory. And I let all of that go, and it was actually very freeing. But I didn't let everything go. My dad passed away when I was a little kid, and I had taken his shirts and made them into a quilt. And I've kept that over 30 years, and I hang it in my closet. I don't display it, which, is one of those rules of minimalism, is to display everything that you keep, that you don't use. When I did display it, it kind of reminded me too often, and it kind of made me feel sad sometimes. And so I don't display it. I keep it in my closet. It's just one thing though. It's not a basement full of stuff. It's just one thing. And maybe someday down the road I'll be ready to get rid of it, but I'm not going to right now, and that's okay. So if you need it, I'm giving you permission to keep sentimental things that you want to, even if you're not displaying them, and also to get rid of sentimental things that don't serve you anymore.